Minnesota Governor Tim Walz says the state should be prepared for a storm of epic proportions in dealing with the pandemic.
We're used to long winters in Minnesota. We are a resilient people with a deep reserve of courage, optimism, and grit. But this will be like a winter we've never seen before.
Governor Walz discussed the outbreak in his annual State of the State address tonight. It was broadcast online from inside the governor's mansion in St. Paul. Kate Raddatz is live with more on what the governor had to say tonight. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Liz. Yes, this was not your typical State of the State address. First of all, it was very short. It was less than 15 minutes long, and the whole thing was focused on the fight against the spread of COVID-19. Right off the bat, the governor acknowledged the struggles that so many families in Minnesota are facing right now, things like lost jobs. He brought up saying he knows people want to hug their grandparents or meet a friend for coffee, but really emphasizing they need to stay home, saying that it is the only vaccine that they have against the disease right now.
You are slowing the spread of this disease. You are protecting your neighbors. You are giving hospitals time to prepare to care for the many who will fall ill. You are making a difference, and you are certainly saving lives.
Governor Walz said the state is preparing for a wave of COVID-19 cases. That includes by building up hospital capacity, increasing ventilators, ICU beds, and increasing testing. He said his office is also working to get more PPE for healthcare workers. The father and former teacher thanked youth for giving up school for the time being in person. He also asked parents to give themselves some grace.
And parents, I know how hard this is. Many of you are trying to watch your children at the same time you're trying to work from home. Many of you are out of work and you're worried about the bills that are coming due. This is hard. This is unprecedented. Take a deep breath. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to each other. We're all doing the best we can, and that's all we can do.
Said that these last few weeks he knows that they have been difficult, but unfortunately he said it is only going to get harder. But he did end his speech on a positive, uplifting note, saying that a new day will come. He said the sun will shine again, and he said he didn't think anyone would take normalcy for granted again. And I think a lot of Minnesotans are having similar thoughts.
Certainly, Kate. We know throughout the state's response there has been a mostly unified front. So tell us about the Republican response you heard tonight.
Right. The GOP also gave their response virtually tonight. We heard from House Minority Leader Kurt Dowd. He spoke for a few minutes saying that Republicans and Democrats are united in this fight against the spread of the disease. He was asked how he would feel if there were to be an extension of a stay-home order.
Again, we'd ask for some leniency and flexibility in allowing segments of our workforce to get back to work if they can do so safely. And I think Minnesotans generally understand that there may be a new reality when they get back to the workplace, that we may have to, for a short time, continue our social distancing and maintain some distance and interacting with our fellow employees in different ways.
You heard him say there that he would like to see some professions return to work if they were able to do so safely. He did also say that he felt the governor's tone in his speech tonight was on point. Liz.
All right, Kate, thank you.